حي على الفلاح.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Sparkplug. So in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to make this beautiful heavy duty truck tire assembly in Fusion 360. So basically the design is not too much complicated. Basically we have got some revolve and some extrusion and some simple circular pattern. Let me just switch off the assembly appearance mode. Now you will be able to see the design more clearly. So let's get started. Switch to new workspace, click on front plane and draw a sketch on front plane. Start by making two lines from origin, one horizontal construction line like this and another one horizontal, two construction lines. Zoom a little bit out, zoom out, and just enhance these lines. Now draw one. This time we are going to make a normal line, a line like this. Go to constraints, go to symmetric, select this point and make it symmetric to this line. Now press D for dimension and select the length of this line as 750, and again press D. From this line to the origin the distance is going to be 450 mm. Now once done, just extend the center vertical line a little bit more higher like this. Again go to create, go to point, and on this line above this horizontal line draw a point like this. Press D for dimension and give the dimension of this point from this line as 348 mm and press enter. Now go to create, go to arc, go to 3-point arc, select this point and a point somewhere here and draw a arc like this. Press D for dimension and give the radius of this arc as 245 mm like this, and the distance of this point to this line is going to be, okay, just delete this for now. I think it got some constraints. Okay, let me just delete this arc for now. Delete this arc and again make the arc like this. Press D, just move the point like here. Press D for dimension, select this point and give the dimension as 123 mm and press enter, and again press D and select the radius of this arc as 245 and press D again, and distance from this line to this point, this is going to be 360. Now once done, go to mirror command, select this arc and the mirror line and press OK. Now once done, click on the fit point spline, connect these 3 points like this and OK. Now for as if you look closely, this is the control point of this line. So press D for dimension, give this line a dimension of 211. Now as for this line, make it tangent to the your arc. So for that, click on tangent, select this line and make tangent relationship between them like this, and repeat the step for here also like this. Again press D for dimension and give this a dimension of 78 like this, and repeat this step for this portion also. Once done, you may finish the sketch. Again go to revolve, select this profile, and the axis would be your x-axis and the operation would be new component and press OK. So this is the basic structure of our tire. Now again click on create a sketch, and on the very first plane start by making a line from origin, a horizontal construction line and a vertical construction line. Switch off the body for now. We don't need that right now, and draw a rectangle, of course not the construction one, like this. Press go to symmetry, select on these two lines and make it symmetric to this point. Now press D for dimension and start giving the dimension to this. So this side is going to be 85 degrees, 85 mm, and from the length of this is going to be 106, like this. Just move it onto the center of the origin and press D again, and from the center to this point this dimension is going to be 70 mm, and you may press OK. Now once done, click on line and draw a line, a vertical line somewhere here and a horizontal line somewhere here. Press D for dimension, select the length of this line as 65, and the distance between this point and this point, this is going to be 307 mm, and press enter. And the distance between this point and this line, this is going to be 459 or 460, like this, and press OK. Again press D for dimension, and the distance between this point and this point is going to be 50, like this. And the distance between this point and this point, this is going to be 50 as well, and the length of the line is going to be 50 as well. Now once done, basically I have given you the basic structure of the extruded rib that creates these patterns on the external part of the tire. Now go to fit point spline, select this line and draw another point somewhere here and join it like this without any dimension. So this somewhere here and OK. Now repeat the same step from this point and like this and OK. Click on spline, select this line, a point somewhere here and join this point and OK. Now press T for trim and delete this line. We don't need it right now. Now you don't have to give any dimension for that. You can always anytime adjust design of this, the thickness of this profile from here. Now once done, click on finish the sketch. Now once your sketch is finished, click on component and extrude it. Select this and extrude it without any dimension so that it may go through and extend it a little bit higher. Now the operation would be new body, and the start profile would be offset, and let's make it offset by 500. Yeah, make sure it comes under the inner profile of this extrusion comes under the circle. As far as the outer extrusion distance is concerned, just make it little bit higher beside the tire. Now again click on taper angle and make it taper by -1 degrees, like this. Okay, let's lower it as -0.5 degrees, and the operation would be new body and press OK. Now finish the switch of the body for now. Now again go to fillet, select this edge and this edge and give the radius of 25 here, R25, and press enter. Now repeat the same step for other edges also. For here give the radius of 10, and for here as well the radius of 10, or you can increase it. Remember these profiles don't have any standard dimensions. So let's make it 30 mm. And again go to fillet, select this edge and this edge and give them 10. Now, yeah, for here as well, let's give it 30. And for this profile, let's make it 50. Now, once done, bring back your component again, the first component you have drawn. Now again go to create, go to mirror, select the pattern type as bodies, select this body and select the mirror plane as the center plane like this, and the operation would be new body. So basically we have got one this body and the other one like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press M to start the move command, and the operation would be the bodies, select the mirror body that you have created, and the move type would be rotate and the axis would be this. So just rotate. So what we are actually doing, we are rotating the body that we have just created, and the angle of rotation would be of the top side, and the angle would be minus 11.25 degrees. Okay, let's make it, yeah, degrees like this. This seems to be okay, and you may press OK. Okay, so once done, once the extrusion and the moving thing is done, just hide the first body that we have created. Go to modify, go to split body, select this body, and the splitting tool would be center plane, and split this body, and just click on this and press V to hide the this portion. What I'm going to do, basically I have tried this making various times, and due to some Fusion 360 error, or I don't know, let me just know if you guys find out what exactly the error is. Basically there was some problem in the future part of the video, so that's why I am splitting this body. And again go to create, go to mirror, select body as this, the mirror plane as this, and join it. So basically what I have done is I have sliced the body from the middle plane and used that body to make the mirror part of the other body. Now bring back the first body like we have done before. Now once done, go to combine, select this body and second body and the tire body, and click on new component and press on OK. Now we have a new component here. Just hide the first two bodies like this. Now once done, go to fillet command, select this line and this line, and give the fillet of 25 mm and press enter. Now once done, go to sketch and onto the top plane. Now again press L for line and draw a line, a vertical, of course the construction line, and again press L and a horizontal vertical construction line. Hide the body for now. Now I am going to make some sketch. Start by making a line, not the construction line this time, a horizontal line, and make it symmetric to the center line like this. Press D for dimension and give this as the dimension of this as, let me just check, 460. No, the dimension is going to be, let me just check the dimension. So the dimension of this is going to be the exact dimension from this point to this point, that the extrusion we have created. So that is, according to my calculation, is 470 minus 460 minus 460 minus 70, that is 390, and 390 multiplied by 2. Yeah, so that's it, that's the dimension. You can also manually measure it if you want from the outermost part of this to the outermost part of this. You can manually also measure it. Press D for dimension again and give the vertical dimension as 871 or 870, let's say 870, like this, and press L for line, draw a vertical line. But before that, let's go to create, click on project include and click on intersect and select type as body and select this body and press OK. Now we have got the intersection curve. Now press L for line and make a line, a vertical line. Just hide the for now, let's hide it for now, and press T for trim and hide it. Just delete the extra line and click on mirror command and mirror this line like this. Now once done, press align and just and close the top portion of the profile as well and press finish the sketch. Now bring the first body and show the sketch like this. Go to revolve, select this outer profile and the axis would be this, and make the revolve cut like I am doing and press OK. Now once done, as you guys can see, some of the material is still updated, left over, so just right click on the sketch and just increase the height of these area and just finish the sketch. Now as you guys can see, no unnecessary materials is left here. Now once done, yeah, so now once done, press F for fillet, select on these two surfaces and give them a radius of 10 mm and press enter. You can increase the radius as well. Let's increase, there is no standard dimension here, so let's make it, let's say 20. How about 20? Let's see if that work. Okay, 20 does not work here. Let's make it 15. Yeah, 15 works. So now once done, what I'm going to do is go to create, go to pattern, go to circular pattern, and the pattern type would be faces. So it will take minutes by selecting each and every faces. So I am going to do is select all the faces, but we don't want each and every faces to be mirrored, to be made circular pattern of. So what I'm going to do, I am again going to deselect all the faces that is not not necessary. Remaining faces will be the faces of these two extrusion, including all the fillets that we have created. Again going to be axis, the axis would be this and the quantity would be 16, and just press OK, and based on your system performance this will take few seconds to few minutes. So let's see what we got. So once the circular pattern is completed, this is the profile that we will get. But one thing that I will want to show you, that I forgot to make one fillet in the radius in the sketch we have created earlier. So the last step, just go back to the last sketch that we have created, this one which we used for revolve cut. Actually we need to give the radius here. So give the radius of R100 of on this point and on this as well of R100 like this, and now finish the sketch. It will take some time updating the revolve cut and the circular pattern in a row. So as you guys can see, I have got some error updating the radius. So what I'm going to do is just delete the radius and the circular pattern like this. So we have left with the rotational cut. Now again fillet, select this edge and select this edge and give it the radius of 15. Let's say 15 would work or not. Okay, 15 would not work. Let's say 12. Okay, I think something's wrong with the surface. Okay, 10 is good for that. Now let's check on to this. Okay, yeah. 10 seems to be good. Now once done, again repeat the same step. Go to create, go to pattern, go to circular pattern, select all the faces and deselect all the unnecessary faces. Click on access as this. The distance or the quantity would be 16 and press OK. Wait for your system to. Yeah, so after computing, this is how your tire will look like. Now the only thing left is to make the rim. So for that, click on create a sketch and go to top plane or front plane, any plane you particularly want. Now switch off the body again. Now again draw one horizontal line, one horizontal construction line and one vertical construction line like this, and draw a line, not the construction this time, like this, and make it symmetric to the center line. Now press D for dimension and give this line the dimension of 750 mm and the distance from this point. Press D again and the distance from the origin to this line, this is going to be 450, like this. Now once done, click on line and draw the line like I am drawing here. Now press D for dimension and the distance between this point to this point, make it 122, and this line is going to be 50 mm. This is going to be 185. Distance from this point to this point is going to be 86, and this point to this point, this is going to be 60. Now once done, draw another line from this point to this point and join this. Press T for dimension, give this a dimension of 140, 45, and this the dimension of 15. Press T for trim and remove this excess line. Go to mirror, select all these lines that we have just created. Starting from this to the smaller one, select the center line as this and press OK. Your sketch is closed. Click on finish the sketch. Go to revolve, select the center line as this, and this is going to be our new component, and press OK. Now once done, bring back your tire. So this is how it will look. Just go back to the sketch once again, and for this just make it 10 instead of 50 and finish the sketch. So this is how it will look. Now the only thing left is to make some fillet. So make some fillet here and make a hole on this profile also. So I think that could be handled by you guys easily. The fillet, you guys can easily give the fillet on these radius. Let's suppose that here, let's make it 50 mm radius like this, and repeat the same step for the other faces also. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. And for the appearance, press A to enter the appearance menu. So just press A, or you guys can go to modify to give the appearance. So let's say we need to find the rubber. So rubber is in the others, and go to rubber, and we have the rubber weathered, and select good and drag the for the component. And for the rim I am going to go to the aluminum. Okay, let's check the paint type. Yeah, here's the paint. Go to metallic paint, and let's say yellow. Yellow seems to be okay. Okay, let's go for red. No, let's go for blue. Yeah, blue seems fine. Now once done, press Shift and N to enable the your appearance in Fusion 360. Now if you want more detailed view, just go to Scenes and go to Visual Style and select Shaded. What it will do, it will hide all the edges in the display. So this, by this, the tire looks more realistic. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. Do comment any queries and suggestions for my upcoming videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.